Hi, Lily. Oh, that's a camera. Hi. Are you eating lunch? Yeah? What are you eating? Noodles? Those look delicious. What is that? Hey, Lily, can you... Hey, Lily, where are your kisses? Go, mwah. Yes. You're a silly girl. Yeah? Tell us about it. Oh, Dada. Oh. Can you say Matthew?
Ba. Mama.
Mama? Yeah. Can you say Andrew? Can you say Andrew? Ma. How about Papa? Can you say Papa?
Ba.
Ba. How about Nana? You want more? What do you want? What do you want more of? Hmm? You see your brothers. Lily, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Big kiss. Go. Mwah. Big kiss. See you later, Lily. Bye.